Now we learn what is meant by software. Software is a computer program which is developed by using the programming language. Now we are going to learn what is meant by hardware. Hardware forms the physical components of a computer which you can touch and handle. They are basically the physical elements of the machine. The hardware means what? The physical parts of the computer, those parts, that the physical parts or physical components of the computer that you can see or touch. They are basically physical elements of the machine. Now for example, monitor, or for example mouse. Now you can see also and you can touch also to the mouse. So mouse is also parts of computer. So mouse is element to the computer. Mouse is physical parts of computer. So those elements that you can see or touch is called hardware. Hardware provides the basis of computer software to operate. These devices store and execute the programming instructions, thereby acting as a delivery system for software. These devices differ from each other based on their functions. So you have input device, output device, storage media, and also the processing unit. Now hardware means what? The physical elements of the computer that you can see or touch is called hardware. For example, mouse that you can see or touch, so mouse is hardware. Monitor you can see also and you can touch also, so monitor is a hardware. Now hardware can also have a 4 type. Now first is the input device, second is the output device, storage device, and processing device. These hardware are differ from each other based on their functions. So they have input device, output device, storage media, and also processing unit. Now let's learn about different types of hardware device based on above classification. First, hardware. Hardware means physical parts of the computer that you can see or touch is called hardware. There are 4 types of hardware: input device, output device, storage device, and processing device. So first we learn what is meant by input device. Input devices are used to provide instructions to the computer. Input device means what? The devices that are used to provide or used to give instructions to the computer. The device which gives input to the computer are called input devices. Now for example, mouse. By using mouse is used for clicking. That means by clicking we are giving input, we are giving some instructions to the computer. So mouse is hardware. See, mouse. Mouse is a device that is used to provide instructions to the computer. A mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel on it. As you move the mouse, the pointer on the screen moves in that same manner. The mouse pointer usually looks like a arrow. This is a mouse. This device is used to provide instructions to the computer. Mouse has a 2 button, left button and right button, and scroll wheel. This is a scroll wheel. A mouse has 2 buttons, left, right, and scroll wheel. As you move the mouse, the pointer on the screen moves in that same manner. The mouse pointer usually looks like an arrow. Now see, when you are moving the mouse on that monitor, mouse pointer is also moving. Now I am moving the mouse. The mouse pointer is also moving. See, like this. Now I am moving the mouse. Then mouse pointer is also moving. So this mouse pointer is a look like a arrow. This mouse pointer is a look like a arrow. So Mouse is used for clicking. It used to give instruction to the computer. Mouse has two buttons, left button, right button, and scroll wheel. Then when you are moving the mouse, your mouse pointer is also moving. This mouse pointer is displayed on monitor. So this mouse pointer is a look like a arrow. Mouse is used for clicking. Then next is a keyboard. See, this is a keyboard. Computer keyboard is used to provide input to the computer. There are many keys on the keyboard to enter alphabets, numbers, symbol, etc. There are also special functions key which perform a specific functions. Now see, this is a keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing. That means by typing we are giving some input to the computer. If you are typing your name by using this keyboard, that means you are giving some input to the computer. So there are many keys. Alphabets key which is used to type letters, words. Then here is the numbers key 0 to 9. There is the number key which is used to type number. Now F1 to F12, these all are the functions key. And some special keys like shift, enter, backspace, arrow, home, page up, page down, insert, these all the special keys. Then next is a space bar which is used to give space. Then caps lock which is used to type all letters in capital. So keyboard is used to for provide input to the computer. There are many keys on the keyboard. There are alphabets key like A to Z, all alphabet keys there. Then a number keys there and some special keys also there.